Good morning, children. In the last class, we saw the notes for our environment lesson. Now, we are going to continue the notes. In the last class, I wrote who am I, choose, and 2 question answer. How do we calculate the annual rings, and another question answer. Children, what is called the ship of the desert and why? Now we are going to continue the third one. So I told you to write in the EVS class work 80-page notebook. Continue in that. Now I am going to write third question answer. I say and write, children. I N in nature. N A T U R E in nature. W H A T what are. A R E are the. T H E the. Come to the next line, children. In nature, what are the different? D I F F E R E N T different. Environment. E N V I R O N M E N T. Put the question mark, children. In nature, what are the different environments? Say, children, in nature, what are all places we saw? We saw forest, hill, then rivers, that and all we saw. Sea, desert, that and only we are going to write now. Answer. Start here, children. This is your margin. Write here question number 3, then write the answer. Forest. Say the spelling for forest, children. F O R E S T. Forest. Leave one finger space. Put comma here. Plains. P L A I N S. Yes. Plains. Forest means kaadu. Plains means nilam. Then hills. H I L S. Hills. Then ponds. P O N D S. Ponds. Come to the next line, children. Rivers. R I V E R S. Rivers. Seas. S E A S. Seas. And A N D. And desert. D E S E R T S. Deserts. R A R E are different. D I F F E R E N T different environment in nature. E N V I R O N M E N T environment in nature. I N in nature. N A T U R E nature. Full stop. Finish the sentence. In nature, what are the different environment? In nature, different environment we can see forest, kaadu, plains, nilam. Hills means kundru, Ooty, Kodaikanal, Yerkad, that and all hills. Ponds means kulam. River means aaru. Seas kadal. And desert means palavanam. Are different environment in nature. இதெல்லாம் வந்து different environment நம்மள சுத்தி இருக்குது. in nature. N A T U R E nature. What? W H A T what? R. A R E. R. T H E. The. Different. D I F F E R E N T. Different. Environment. E N V I R O N M E N T. Environment. Answer. Forest. F O R E S T. Forest. Plains. P L A I N S. Plains. Hills. H I L L S. Hills. Ponds. P O N D S. Ponds. Rivers. R I V E R S. Rivers. Seas. S E A S. Seas. And A N D. And. Desert. D E S E R T S. Deserts. R A R E R. Different. D I F F E R E N T. Different. Environment. E N V I R O N M E N T. Environment. In. I N. In. Nature. N A T U R E. Nature. Children, leave space between the words. Touch the two line and write neatly. Okay, copy children. In nature, what are the different environment? Forest, plains, hills, ponds, rivers, seas and desert are different environment in nature. Now, fourth one. Name. N A M E. Name the wild. W I L D. Wild animals. A N I M A L S. Name the wild animals. Come to the next line children. Found. F O U N D. Found in the forest. F O R E S T. Name the wild animals. What wild animals you can see in the forest? Lion, tiger, deer, bear. That and all you can see in the forest. That only you are going to write now. Write your answer. Then elephant. E L E P H A N T. Elephant. Tiger. T I G E R S. Tigers. Deer. D E E R. Deer. Lion. L I O N S. Lions. And put comma children here. Here and all you put comma. And A N D. And bear. B E A R. Bear. Bears. Then you are going to write the wild animals name. Elephant, tiger, deer, lions and bears you can see in the forest. E L E P H A N T. Elephant. Tiger. T I G E R S. Tigers. Deer. D E E R. Deer. Lions. L I O N S. Lions. And A N D. And bear. B E A R S. Bears. There are so many wild animals. I wrote only 5 names in that. Okay, read children. Then fifth one. Name the wild animals found in forest. Elephant, tiger, deer, lion and bear. Next one. Describe river. Describe a river. R-I-V-E-R. River means what? We are going to see now. Right here. Answer. A-N-S. Answer. River. R-I-V-E-R, river. River starts, S-T-A-R-T-S, river starts from mountain, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S, river starts from mountain. Come to the next line, children. Follows a path. P-A-T-H, path means ஒரு வழியை கண்டுபிடிக்குது. Follows a path and finally, F-I-N-A-L-L-Y, finally flows, F-L-O-W-S, flows into the sea, S-E-A, sea. river எங்கே ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது, எங்கே போய் முடியுதுன்றது தான் describe a river. river starts from mountain, மவுண்டெயின்லேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது river, and அது ஒரு வழியை ஃபாலோ பண்ணிகிட்டே போகுது. path means வழி போயிட்டு இப்போ ஃபைனலாக என்ன எங்கே போய் ரீச் ஆகுது, it flows into the river, லாஸ்ட்டில் என்ன ஆகுது, கடலில் போய் ஜாயின் ஆகிடுது. D-E-S-C-R-I-B, describe. A river, R-I-V-E-R, describe a river. Answer, R-I-V-E-R, river starts, S-T-A-R-T-S, starts means அங்கேருந்து மவுண்டெயின்லேருந்து ஆரம்பிக்குது. from, F-R-O-M, from mountain, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S, mountains. flows, F, follows, F-O-L-L-O-W-S, follows a path, P-A-T-H, path. follows a pathனா அது ரிவர் மவுண்டெயின்லேருந்து வந்து ஒரு வழியில் தானே போகும், அது அப்படியே போயிட்டே இருக்கும். follows a path and finally, F-I-N-A-L-L-Y, finally flows, F-L-O-W-S, flows into the sea, I-N in T-O-2-T-H-E, the S-E-A, sea. Children, now I wrote 5 questions. Before I wrote 2 question answer, now I wrote 3 question answer. Write neatly in your classwork, children. Before I gave who am I wrote. So read and write that one in your all subject note. Okay, that is your homework. Read and write, read at home, then only you can understand and question answer. You can say the answer for the question. I will ask you question and answer also in the next class. Okay, read these question answers at home. Thank you, children.